Have you ever wondered how quickly life changes after an accident in California? A sunny day, a regular commute, or a simple stroll can suddenly turn into a whirlwind of shock and confusion in the blink of an eye. Accidents, by their very nature, are unpredictable. They can happen anywhere, at any time, and to anyone. One moment you're basking in the golden California sun, and the next you find yourself in the throes of chaos. The immediate aftermath is often a haze of questions, bewilderment, and a scramble to figure out what to do next. This is where the role of an accident attorney comes into the picture. An accident attorney navigates the legal labyrinth on your behalf, ensuring your rights are protected and you get the compensation you deserve. In the face of such unpredictable situations, an accident attorney becomes your first line of defense. So, what does an accident attorney actually do? Well, you might be surprised to find out that their role extends far beyond the courtroom. First and foremost, an accident attorney represents victims of accidents. These can be auto accidents, workplace incidents, or even slip and fall mishaps. It's their job to stand in your corner, advocating for your rights and ensuring that your voice is heard. They are the champions of justice, bringing balance to situations where the scales might otherwise tip in favor of insurance companies and big corporations. Speaking of insurance companies, that's another crucial aspect of an accident attorney's role. They deal directly with these entities, handling all the paperwork and legal jargon that might otherwise leave you feeling overwhelmed. They negotiate with insurance adjusters, fighting to ensure that you receive the compensation you deserve for your injuries and loss. But the role of an accident attorney doesn't stop there. They're also responsible for gathering evidence to support your case. This can include medical records, police reports, and witness testimonials. They might even bring in expert witnesses to strengthen your claims, such as medical professionals or accident reconstruction specialists. Accident attorneys also work on a contingency basis, which means they only get paid if you win your case. This ensures they are motivated to fight for the highest possible compensation for you. They understand the financial strain an accident can cause, and they're committed to helping you alleviate that burden. Ultimately, an accident attorney's role is to navigate the complex legal maze that follows an accident. They understand the ins and outs of personal injury law, and they use this knowledge to guide you towards a successful outcome. They handle the legal battle so you can focus on what's really important, your recovery. So the next time someone asks you, what does an accident attorney do? You'll know that their role is multifaceted. They're not just lawyers, they're advocates, negotiators, and guides dedicated to ensuring justice is served. An accident attorney navigates the legal maze so you can focus on recovery. That's the power of having an expert by your side. Let's dive into a real-life example, a devastating highway collision case. Picture this: a sunny afternoon in California, a busy highway, and a sudden, catastrophic collision. Our protagonist, let's call him John, a hardworking father of two, was on his way home when an 18-wheeler veered into his lane, causing a devastating accident. John sustained severe injuries, his car was totaled, and his life was turned upside down in the blink of an eye. Enter the accident attorney, a beacon of hope in John's darkest hours. With years of experience under his belt, the attorney took up John's case, ready to navigate the labyrinthine world of insurance claims and legal jargon. He was John's voice, his advocate, tirelessly working to ensure that John received the compensation he rightfully deserved. First, the attorney meticulously gathered all necessary evidence, reconstructing the accident scene, consulting with experts, and documenting John's injuries and their impact on his life. Each detail was crucial, every piece of evidence a weapon in the attorney's arsenal. Then came the negotiations with the insurance company. They were tough, they were ruthless, but the attorney was tougher. He knew the games insurance companies play, the tactics they use to minimize payouts. But he was not deterred. He fought, he argued, he negotiated, all with one goal in mind: securing the best possible compensation for John. And when the insurance company refused to play fair, the attorney did not hesitate to take the case to court. He presented an ironclad case backed by compelling evidence and expert testimony, leaving no room for doubt about the truck driver's liability and the extent of John's damages. Finally, after months of tireless efforts, the attorney managed to secure a substantial compensation for John. This compensation would cover John's medical bills, lost wages, and even the pain and suffering he had endured. It was a hard-fought victory, a testament to the attorney's unwavering commitment to his client. In this case, the accident attorney was instrumental in ensuring justice and fair compensation. Scene script. Workplace accidents can be equally devastating. Let's explore one such case. Picture this. A construction worker in sunny California, let's call him Joe, was going about his day on a skyscraper project in downtown Los Angeles. Joe was a seasoned worker, always cautious and meticulous, but accidents, they don't send an invitation, do they? One day, a piece of heavy machinery malfunctioned. In the blink of an eye, Joe was pinned under a piece of equipment. He sustained severe injuries, which led to months of hospitalization and rehabilitation. The accident not only caused physical trauma, but also left Joe and his family grappling with mounting medical bills and loss of income. Enter the accident attorney, a knight in a shiny suit armed with knowledge and experience. His role was critical in helping Joe navigate this challenging time. He liaised with Joe's employer, ensuring that they took responsibility for the incident. He was the bridge between Joe and the company's insurance, making sure they covered the medical expenses. Most importantly, the attorney fought for Joe's rights. He reminded the company and the insurance that Joe was not just a number in their payroll or a case file. He was a person with a family to support and dreams to chase. The attorney stepped in, demanding compensation for Joe's lost wages, pain, and suffering. The accident attorney also ensured that the company improved its safety measures. He advocated for a safer workspace, reducing the chances of such accidents in the future. His actions not only helped Joe, but also potentially saved other workers from similar incidents. It was a long and grueling battle, but the accident attorney's relentless pursuit of justice proved fruitful. With his help, Joe received the compensation he deserved, and his employer took steps to prevent such accidents in the future. The accident attorney turned the tide in favor of the victim, ensuring a fair outcome. And that's the power of an accident attorney in the face of workplace accidents. They're not just lawyers, they're advocates, champions, and sometimes the only line of defense for those affected by such incidents. Finding the right accident attorney can make all the difference. It's not just about having an attorney, but having one who understands your unique circumstances and can advocate effectively on your behalf. Let's talk about a few key factors to consider in your search. First, experience matters. An attorney who's been in the trenches, who knows the ins and outs of accident law, can be a game changer. They've seen it all, and they can use that knowledge to your advantage. They're familiar with the tactics insurance companies may use to downplay your claim, and they won't be easily swayed. Second, consider their reputation. You want an attorney who's respected in the field, who's known for their tenacity, integrity, and ability to win cases. Look at reviews, ask for references, and do your own research. Remember, this is your fight, but it's also their reputation on the line. Thirdly, you want an attorney who specializes in accident law. Just as you wouldn't see a cardiologist for a broken leg, you don't want a divorce lawyer handling your accident case. Specialization means they're up to date on the latest developments in accident law and can navigate the complex litigation process with ease. Now let's talk about the importance of a free consultation. This is your chance to get a feel for the attorney, to ask questions, and to see if they're the right fit for you. It's also an opportunity for the attorney to assess your case and provide you with informed advice. And finally, consider whether they work on a contingency fee basis. This means they only get paid if they win your case. It's a sign of confidence in their ability to deliver results, and it ensures you won't be left with hefty legal fees if the verdict doesn't go your way. Choosing the right accident attorney is the first step towards justice and compensation. It's about finding someone who will fight for you, who will stand by your side, and who will work tirelessly to ensure you get the compensation you deserve. Accidents are unpredictable, but the path to justice doesn't have to be. As we wrap up today's journey, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. We've tackled the unpredictable nature of accidents, showing how they can occur anywhere, from bustling highways to the seemingly safe confines of a workplace. But no matter the location or circumstance, the role of an accident attorney remains the same: to stand by your side, advocating for your rights. Whether it's a highway collision or a workplace accident, an accident attorney is your beacon of hope, navigating the tumultuous seas of legal complexities to deliver justice. They are your voice when you feel voiceless, your strength when you feel weak, and your guide when the path seems unclear. Choosing the right accident attorney is crucial for this journey. They are your ally, your champion, your defender. Remember, in the aftermath of an accident, you are not alone. An accident attorney stands by your side fighting for your rights.